I just quickly wanted to pop in to announce the winner of the Christmas in July video hop with the Scrap Diva design. Thank you so much to everybody who participated and left nice comments. I have read all of your beautiful comments. I have not responded to a single one of them yet, but I just wanted to come on and announce the winner from my channel so that you could get your gift certificate. With me I have Felicia, my daughter. She's 8 years old, so I thought we're gonna pop into our video. Sorry about some commercial here. I can see that I have currently 137 comments. I will sort this to the newest first, and then I will scroll down, and Felicia is gonna give me a number and we can count together. Hopefully we'll get it right. The one we choose, even though if we would count wrong, that's the one we are going to give the gift certificate from my channel to. So I just wanted to point that out. But thank you so much for all of your nice comments. You can see all of your names here. I'm so grateful that you participated. So I think we are on the bottom. And Felicia, do you want to pick a number?
9.
9? Okay. So then you have to help me count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this is the winner. And now I will probably butcher your name, and I'm so sorry. Margin6220, you are the winner for my channel. So please, I will have my mail address down below for you, and you can contact me and give me your mail address, and I will give that to Erica, who is hosting this giveaway, and you will get your gift certificate. So congratulations so much. Thank you for your beautiful comment. I am so happy that you participated, and yeah, that was really fun, and I'm so glad that you were the winner. So thank you so much to everybody else who participated. I will soon be back with some more content using Scrap Diva projects, and maybe creating some other Christmas cards in a couple of weeks and months. So I see you soon. Do you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Bye.